Friends, sorry I missed last week. My mom was in the hospital, and so I just had a lot on my plate, so I was not able to film last week. This week, we're putting together a new cabinet, which I'm so excited. We've cleared a space. The cabinet is gonna go here, and then I'm going to decorate it because I don't want anything plain and boring in my room.
Just lay stuff out by letter.
Okay.
This one goes.
Sorry.
This one goes here and that one goes.
My butt hit the coffee table. I got a little junk in my trunk. All right. One drawer done.
Nice. Perfect.
It's like a giant filing cabinet.
Yep.
Like that's what it feels like a metal.
It works.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's sturdy.
Look how cute this is. This is pretty nice. For what I paid for it, this is pretty nice. But I don't want to just leave it black. I'm gonna color it. I think, Corey, I may just color on the inside of the arch. Notice the arch here. I found dry erase boards that have that same little arch. So these are gonna go on the inside.
No.
Okay. I'm still recording.
1 million views. If it's not, it will drive me crazy. Okay. Okay. How cute is that? I love that this arch matches this arch, and I know that I'm the only one who's going to see this on a daily basis. But for all of my OCD friends out there, you'll know that this is here, and you will just enjoy knowing that behind that arch is this. It's so satisfying. I also love that this is magnetic. Actually, this whole thing is, because it's metal, it's a giant magnet board. So since I'm missing my mural from my old craft room, and I don't really have a good wall in here to do the mural on, I decided that I'm going to do a design on the inside of my arch and then the inside little detail of the drawers. This was going to be a cabinet that was in like a kid's room, like a playroom, or a space that was going to get a lot of use that wasn't just from me. I would probably prep the surface a little bit more, but since it's just me and I know how to use a handle without messing everything up, I'm going to skip any of the prep work and I'm just going to go straight to the drawing because I just want to skip to the good part, you know? I'm going to be using my Liquitex acrylic markers. These are my favorite. I'm a Liquitex girl. It's the paint that I use for all of my, if you've seen any of my not so precious moments that I've created, they're all with Liquitex. I love Liquitex paint. So this was the design that I used for my craft room the first time. Just a whimsical, kind of funky floral design. I think I want to do that on this one. It's going to be a little nod to my old craft room. I love painting just random little floral inspired designs. And there's something very freeing about doing this on metal because like if I mess up, which I did, I messed up this huge section. I kept trying to make it better and it just kept getting bigger and bigger and worse and worse. And it was this whole section over here. I just got one of my shop towels, some water, and cleaned it up. So I'm not loving my cabinet. I got a little lazy. So normally I draw everything out. I kind of create a little sketch, figure out where things are gonna go, and then I draw from that. And this time I was just like, I'll just have fun with it. And I know better. I know the way my brain works. I know that this is not what I want it to look like, but it is what it is. And if I decide that I want to change it later, I can just paint over it. But I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep pushing on. I'm going to try to do some things to tie it all together, but I'm just not feeling it, you know? Like, I feel like I'm trying to get it done so that I can edit this video and get it up for you guys. But that's okay. I mean, it's a cabinet that's holding my stuff. It's going to be okay. It's not the end of the world, but I'm not super proud of it. I mean, this looks like some weird spine. By the way, I hold my breath when I'm trying to concentrate and trying to place these tiny little dots where when I can't, like, I have nothing to rest my hand on. I need one of those, like, whatever you call those sticks. My brain's not working yet. You know, the artist sticks that, like, keep their hand supported. That's what I need right now, because and I can't apply too much pressure with this brush because I want them to be little dots, and if I push too hard then they become big dots. So I'm like trying to get creative in how I do this, and I'm using muscles that I'm not used to, and I'm holding my breath while I concentrate. Okay, I'm gonna need a massage after this. But I am really tired of painting. I feel like such a baby. When I did the mural, I painted way longer. But I'm older now. So we'll just blame it on that. So I've got my fabric all in these baskets. And now I have a place to keep them without worrying about dust getting all over my stuff. I've got my fat quarters here. It's so nice being able to see it all. More baskets here. I'm going to put all of my labels in here. I don't have time to do that tonight, but that's going to be next week's project. And then, y'all wait till you see these drawers. Look how great this is. These I got from Target. Look how deep they are. Like, these are perfect to hold my pens. This drawer will hold 6 of those and 2 of those long skinny ones. So I'm excited about that. And then I have this whole drawer down here that I can fit more things in. And I still have room for 2 more little things over there. All right, y'all, here she is. I definitely want to go in and add some more. I don't think this is going to be a paint over. I think if anything, I'm just going to add some to it as I live with it, see what I need. But there she is. She actually is a great little cabinet. So I love that she's metal and I've kept the sides blank so that I can put magnets on it. But I mean, she just holds so much, which is great. And then I have the 2 drawers at the bottom. These are just awesome. So friends, that is it for this week. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. And I've somehow lost my voice. But if you have made it this far, let me know in the comments what you think I should store in this drawer. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to all of my patrons. You guys are amazing. I have added on YouTube, they have where you can join the community there, and so I have added that onto my page. So you get things like, there's different perks, different levels, but then you also get special emojis that I've created. You get a little badge so that every time you comment, the badge comes up next to your name, which is really cool. Friends, if you are interested in this cabinet, I will link it in the description below. I actually link everything that I find. So if you're ever curious, you can head down to the description and you're gonna see links to everything that I share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go out, have yourself a little me time, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.